Okay, now coming to the question number 8. Pointing to Gauri, a person said, "The son of her only brother is the brother of my wife." How is Gauri related to the person? Okay, for solving this question, we have to make the family tree. Now, it is being said by the person, okay, and that person is pointing to the Gauri. Now, what is being said? The son of her only brother. Okay, her only brother means this is Gauri. Let I denote it by G. Her only brother will be like this. Okay, now, and the son of her only brother, this will be son. Okay, and is the brother of my wife, brother of my wife. Okay, that person is saying, so the wife's brother will be like this, and that person is like this. This will be the wife, and this will be the husband. Okay, this person is husband, this is the wife, and the wife's father is father-in-law, and the wife's that father's sister is sister of father-in-law. So that how this person this how Gauri is related, this like this, how that Gauri is related to that person is that sister of father-in-law. So the correct option will be option number C, this one, sister of father-in-law. Coming to the next type of question, read the that from question number 9 to 11. Read the information given below and answer the question that follow. I request you to make the diagram. First of all, make the blood relation diagram which I am making, and then try to read the question. Then you will come to know the answer, or find will be able to solve the answer question properly. Now, coming to the next, that is what is the four statement. On the basis of that four statement, we have to solve this question number 9, 10 and 11. The first is A, B, C, D, E, R and F are 6 members of the family. Okay, second one is one couple has parents and their children in the family. Means one couple is having parent also and children also. A is a son of C and E is a daughter of A. Okay, this is one more statement. D is a daughter of F, who is the mother of E. Here, let us solve this question with the help of that diagram. Okay. Let I make it here. Okay. So first of all, you make that diagram, and then open that PDF and try to read the questions and solve. Okay. First of all, let I make the diagram. One couple has parent and their children. So this could be that couple having parent, having children also. This is the middle generation. Okay, children and parent also. A is the son of C, so this could be A. Okay, this is the son, and C could be like this. We don't know C is a man or woman. Okay, and E is a daughter of A. E is a daughter of A, means this will be the representation for daughter of A. Okay, now D is a daughter of F, who is a mother of E. So mother of E will be A's wife. Yes, so F is a mother of E. Understood? And D will be the sister of E. Okay, understood? This is the relation. D is a daughter of F, who is a mother of E. So here D is a daughter of F, who is a mother of E. So try to make the diagram. And one more relation we have. What is remaining? B is remaining. But we don't know who is father. C is father or B is father, or B is mother or C is mother. Okay, so we cannot say like that. Now, here for question number 1, now open that PDF. You just check it. I am just telling you from that reading who are the male members in the family. Who are the male members? Okay, A is a male member. F, D and E are female member. But do you know about C and F? No, we don't know about C and F. So The correct answer for this question will be can't be determined. Okay, option number D, question number 11, option number D will be the, sorry, not question number 11, question number 9, option number D will be the correct answer. Okay, now the next question is question number 9. What is the next one? Which of the following pair is parents of the children? Okay, which of the following parent of the children will be A and F? Okay, or which one? A and F. Yes, A and F are the parent of the children. Okay, this one. These are the children and these are the parent. Now next question is question number 11, that is which of the following pair is the parent of the couple? So C and B is the parent of this A and F. Okay, understood? Now you can check the answers from here. The question for the question number 9, this is the correct D option. For question number 10, the correct answer is option number D again. And for question number 11, the option number B is the correct answer.